We all want to know what it takes to live to 100. It's easy to assume it comes down to eating right and exercising, but some people seem to be born with a biological head start. To understand how that works, we have to look at the Hongshui River Basin in China. This is Bama County. This remote community is home to an unusually high number of people who remain healthy well into their 90s and hundreds. Researchers traveled here to study the residents, hoping to figure out if their long lives are a result of the local environment or something hidden in their DNA. But simply observing the oldest residents doesn't tell the whole story. To find the truth, scientists needed a side-by-side comparison to separate daily habits from genetic traits. Researchers organized the study into 3 distinct groups. The first includes 169 Bama residents aged 90 to 110. The second consists of younger people from that same county, sharing the same environment. The third provides a baseline of people from a different county. By looking at the differences between these 3 groups, scientists can filter out the background noise of daily life and find the specific biological advantages shared by the oldest residents. This chart compares physical measurements of all 3 groups. The bar for the oldest residents is much lower, meaning they are significantly leaner. Their blood fats are also lower, though they have slightly higher blood pressure and cholesterol, a natural result of the aging process. While maintaining a lean body mass is a significant factor in their health, lifestyle alone cannot explain how so many of them live to be 100. To find the rest of the answer, we have to look past physical traits and zoom into the microscopic instructions inside their cells. Scientists have identified a specific part of our DNA called the SIRT16. This gene acts as a control center for how the body ages and repairs itself. In lab studies, mice without this gene age prematurely, while those with extra SIRT6 activity live 15% longer and avoid weight-related diseases. Those results were promising, but the researchers needed to confirm if a specific variation of this gene is what allows the humans in Bama County to live so long. This DNA sequence shows a harmless spelling variation at one exact address on the gene, known as RS350846. At this spot, you inherit a C or a G from each parent, resulting in 3 possible pairings: 2 Cs, 2 Gs, or 1 of each. This specific letter swap was the focus of the study. The researchers checked each of the 3 groups to see which genetic pairing was most common among the people who lived the longest. The results showed people in the longevity group were much more likely to carry the C version of the gene. Combined with physical measurements, a clear pattern emerges. The longest-lived individuals usually carried this C variation while maintaining a lower body weight. While we cannot change the DNA letters we are born with, we have complete control over our lifestyle and our weight. Science is still learning about the SIRT6 gene, but this research shows that a long, healthy life is a partnership between our biology and the daily choices we make.